Welcome to Luminary Factory. Today we're diving into the life-changing book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F by Mark Manson. If you're ready to learn how to focus on what really matters, stick around. Mark Manson's book isn't your typical self-help guide. Instead of telling you how to turn lemons into lemonade, he teaches you to accept the lemons and choose which lemons actually matter. Let's break it down. Manson starts by introducing the feedback loop from hell. Ever feel anxious about being anxious? Or guilty about feeling guilty? This endless cycle is what traps us in a loop of negativity. We often overthink our problems, which leads to even more stress and anxiety. It's a vicious cycle where one negative thought leads to another, spiraling out of control. To escape, Manson suggests accepting that it's okay to have negative feelings. They're part of life. By not giving a F about having them, you break the loop. Acceptance is the first step to regaining control. Manson's next lesson is all about suffering. Yes, you heard that right. He believes that life is essentially a series of problems. The key is to find the problems you enjoy solving. Think about it. We all have our unique set of struggles. The difference is, some people thrive on their struggles because they're doing what they love. When you choose your struggles, they don't seem as daunting. This is what Manson calls good problems. They are challenges we find meaningful and engaging. By focusing on these, we can transform our lives. Next up, Manson discusses the difference between responsibility and fault. Things happen that aren't your fault, but it's still your responsibility to deal with them. Imagine if you're walking down the street and someone drops a vase in front of you. It's not your fault, but it's now your responsibility to either help clean up or navigate around it. Taking responsibility for your own life means taking control. It empowers you to change your circumstances, rather than being a victim of them. This concept is liberating. It means you have the power to shape your destiny, even when things go wrong. It's a mindset shift from victimhood to empowerment. Manson emphasizes the power of saying no. We often give too many F's about too many things. By learning to say no, you can focus on what truly matters to you. Our lives are filled with obligations and distractions. By saying no to unimportant tasks, we free up time and energy for the things that align with our values. This selective focus helps you conserve your energy for the people and activities that truly make you happy. It's about quality over quantity. Minimalism isn't just about owning fewer things. It's about focusing your life on what's essential and discarding the rest. In a profound yet sobering chapter, Manson reminds us of our mortality. Accepting that you are going to die someday helps you prioritize your life. When you understand that your time is limited, you stop giving a fudge about trivial things and start focusing on what truly brings you happiness and fulfillment. This isn't about being morbid, it's about being realistic. Your time is your most valuable resource. Spend it wisely. Create a bucket list. Focus on experiences that bring you joy and growth. Live each day with intention and purpose. So let's recap. Manson's book teaches us to embrace negative feelings, choose our struggles, take responsibility, say no to unimportant things, and remember our mortality. It's not about giving up on life, but about giving up on what doesn't matter. If you found these insights helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more life-changing content. Remember, choose wisely what you give a fudge about. Thanks for watching Luminary Factory. Until next time, take care.